We have a repair video here. We are going to be working on some areas. Building has a leak somewhere in this area. We don't have a building owner to kind of tell us where it's at, so we're kind of taking a stab. We're going to be fixing some things along these walls. This is probably our #1 culprit. Along the way, you can see where water can run back in. Had a windstorm. Let's see if I can zoom in on some of this. And it did some damage to the roof here. It needs more work than what we're going to be doing today. But you can see where it had an old satellite dish got drug off the neighbor's roof. So we're going to go in and fix these. We're going to put a seam sealer product down and try to do a little bit better job. We think the white was done here. It's sometime very recent. We don't know who did it. They were trying to, same project, seal up some leaks and do some various things. Challenge with this becomes, this is not a waterproofing agent right here. Anything that you see that we do, for example, in white, if it's not silicone, it doesn't keep the water out. We kind of consider this more like a sunscreen to protect what's below it. But this is what you see a lot of times, and a lot of people that are unhappy with roof restorations, they treat this as something it's not. So you can see this wall's pretty bad shape. Ideally, we'd love to come in here. This needs a whole new roof system. We'd love to come in and at least fix all the parapet walls. And we think we could solve a lot of the issues, but that's not gonna happen today. We'll come back and show you what we've done. We're gonna work on this area. We're gonna reflash this wall for about 7 to 10 feet along here and restore this section of the roof. And then we're gonna come in here and fix this pipe flashing here. And then of course the walls over there, we'll kind of show you what we've done. But you can see the roof condition. Down here it's in better shape, realistically, for a restoration. Up here you can see where the roof's starting to let go a little bit. It's obviously had moisture, which is why you see these wrinkles. So, you know, at minimum all of this would need to be cut out and fixed. It's not a good coatings candidate for those reasons, for the conditions of the walls, because something has to be done with those. And you can see up here they've, I'm assuming, had some leak issues, which is why they've done this. But we'll come back later when we're done. We'll show you what we've taken care of, show you how we fixed it.